Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Yoo-Hoo. It's Andy here, your mate, bringing another deep dive into the world of tech and gadgets. Today I'm thrilled to review the brand new JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds. And let me tell you, this is a big one. We've tested out their predecessor, the JBL Tour Pro 2, and had great things to say about it. But this time JBL claimed to have outdone themselves. So are these the best earbuds of 2024, or are they just another flashy update? Stick around and we'll break it all down. So guys, here's what we'll cover. We'll cover everything from setup to sound quality, noise cancellation, real-world testing at the gym, and running around Brisbane. On the point of Brisbane, fun fact, did you know Brisbane is hosting the Olympics in 2032? It's going to be exciting. And we'll also cover the standout features like the smart charging case, as you can see just here. Spoiler alert, people have been seriously impressed when I whip these out. More on that later. And as you can see, there's me on the screen just there too. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And also guys, we're doing a giveaway. We're giving away a pair of JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds to one lucky viewer. So what you do is click the link below to start putting the entries in. The more entries you put in, the more chance you have to win. And we can't wait to begin one of these, and a new one will be shipped to you directly. So anyway, let's jump into the review. So to start with guys, I'll look at the earbuds themselves. So JBL is stuck to their tried and true stem design, as you can see here, which really gets my vote. The JBL Tour Pro 3 earbuds are sleek, yet slightly larger than some competitors, but they fit incredibly well, even during intense workouts, or as you'll see shortly, a jog along Brisbane. So guys, setting up is a breeze. Simply pop them out of the smart charging case, and they're ready to pair. With Bluetooth 5.3, you get a rock solid connection and support for LDAC for higher resolution audio. Pairing is as simple as holding a button on the case until the blue light flashes, then selecting them on your device. JBL's also included a 3.5mm to USB-C cable, so you can use this as a transmitter to connect older devices. And I think that's fantastic too, being able to use the 3.5mm enables you to open up devices you couldn't previously use. You don't have to worry about buying devices for each one too. Also, whether you're watching on a movie, a plane, or plug into a gym treadmill, you've got options galore, which is fantastic. Now guys, the smart charging case. Now this is exciting. Now this isn't just any charging case, it's a smart charging case with a touchscreen display, and it's way better than JBL Tour Pro 2. Now it comes in a 1.57 inch touchscreen, which you can see just there, which allows you to adjust settings, toggle noise cancellation modes, control playback, and even view notifications, all without reaching for your phone. It's like having a mini command center in your pocket. It's also bigger than a JBL Tour Pro 2 case, but guys, to be honest, it fits perfectly into my pocket. As you can see there, the size of it there, look how easy it fits into my hand. I'd say it's a tiny bit chunky, but there's a reason for that. It supports USB-C and wireless charging. It also provides 3 full recharge for the earbuds and extra cool features like onboard timer, flashlight, and customizable wallpaper. As you can see me again just there. Lose your earbuds? Choose Find Your Earbuds to find them. JBL really have thought about everything in this one. So let's go and take a deeper dive now and actually just look and flick through some of the key features of the case. So we'll talk a bit more about these features soon. Autoplay, auto pause. Silent Now feature, notification messages, so you can actually get your messages on this as well. Find My Buds, it works quite well. I've actually lost mine once. Flashlight, you can turn it into a flashlight. Similar before, this is where you can actually cast it using different devices. So I can cast that to my iPhone, for example. But you can also cast via a computer too using Auracast, which we will talk about shortly, guys. You can have different languages. Again, USB audio to connect to a computer. That really is great. But with this, so many more features than in the past. You can actually go and customize so much more than what you did, and all through your case. So you literally don't need your case at all to do anything. A bit more about sound settings. So I'm going to go through these a bit more. But as you can see, this gives you now the ability to be able to control everything from your phone. And no more having to worry about having a case with you. You can just take your earbuds, take your case, and you've got all your music there. So it looks really, really good. Again, USB-C charging at the back. Very, very nice. So it's going to take them around out in Brisbane. Now, as always, guys, I'll put these earbuds through their paces in real-world conditions. Walking through busy streets, hitting the gym, and even braving public transport for the JBL Tour Pro 3. It handled it all well. Let's go and jump in across and look at my view as I'm doing that right now. So the great thing about walking around with these and using them for exercise is they fit so comfortably in the ears. It feels like I'm hardly even using them. And the great design means there's no outside noise coming in. Here I was going for a scooter ride. They didn't move along my ears. Going for a run here, they were great too. I could really get into the beats, and here I am again listening to them. Again, all good round earbuds, great for exercising, walking, or just spending time. The sound is so immersive, and again, on the trains, you can't hear anyone around me. It's fantastic. Now, one thing I like about these as well is the comfort and how well they fit in the ears. You see, it's in my ear just now, and it doesn't move around at all. So it's got a perfect fit. Now, you've got the other earbuds in case you want to change the fit of them, but you really don't feel them in there. They provide a perfect seal, which I think is very, very important with them. As you can see, they're just there. So great earbuds. Another thing about these as well is noise cancellation. Well, they use ANC 2.0. I have to say the adaptive noise cancellation is excellent. It uses 6 microphones to actively block out ambient noise. So I was using these in the gym and no one could hear me at all, which is really good. And the thing is, because they've got such a good seal and such noise cancelling, I can do workouts. I'd say they're probably among the best noise cancelling I've actually used. And guys, I've reviewed over 100 earbuds. For example, I was at home before and one of the guys was trying to talk to me. I couldn't hear what they were saying. They got really annoyed because it completely blocked it out. The transparency mode also is very impressive as well. It allows me to hear ambient sounds to make me feel aware. So I tested this while crossing the streets and chatting with friends, and the results were natural and clear, as you would expect, with JBL earbuds. So all in all, great noise cancelling, and you can also customize it through the app, which we'll talk about shortly. But guys, how about the sound? Well, as I say in Australia, stone the crows. It's incredible. JBL delivers their signature Pro Live sound and is exciting as ever. Out of the box, the sound is punchy and balanced. Now I find it had a real slight emphasis on bass, but you can also do bass booster as well, which is great. For house music lovers like me, tracks like Lose Control sounded absolutely incredible. The highs are crisp, the mids are rich, and the bass thumps without overwhelming. If the default EQ isn't to your taste, the JBL app gives you full control with a 10-band customizable equalizer. And guys, you can also change it on your case as well. You can change the sound settings too, it's perfect. Now, one thing that stood out was really the spatial sound. I have to say, wowzers. I was running the gym, getting to the groove, getting pumped up with the music, and I forgot I had the earbuds on. The sound surrounded me so much that I actually thought I was in a surround sound system. And the thing is, as you moved your head as well, the sound was isolated to that side. So for the first time in earbuds I've used, I actually really felt for the first time the spatial sound actually worked. In the past, it probably decreased the quality. This made it immersive. Now, the app, well, there's 2 ways you can change the settings. So you can use your case, as you can see there, to change settings, and you can also use your app as well. Both are very good. The thing I love about this is you can use this by itself without having the phone. It's perfect. How about battery life? Well, battery life is another area where the JBL Tool Pro 3 shines. It offers up to 7 hours playback with ANC on and 11 hours without, and a total of 44 hours with the case. The quick charge is a lifesaver too. Just 10 minutes in the case gives you 3 hours of playtime. So guys, even with heavy use, these earbuds keep up with your day, and because generally I take the earbuds and the case with me, I just put them in there and they're always charged, so it's really, really good. Another standout feature in these is Auracast. This allows you to share audio of multiple devices. So guys, imagine syncing earbuds with friends to watch a movie on a flight or tune into a live broadcast at a gym. While not widely adopted yet, this feature is a game changer and it's very, very exciting. Now what I want to do quickly is have a bit of a look at the app so guys can show you how customizable it is and also show you some of the key features that these earbuds come with. The JBL Tool Pro 3, I have to say, is packed with more features than any other earbuds I've come across so far. Now we're going to go and take a look at the app so you can see how you can customize the earbuds. So as you can see, here's the screen just here. And to start with, you've got the left and the right earbuds. So we'll start with general settings. So here you've got the ear tip sound settings. So you can actually adjust these depending on whether you have a silicone tip or a foam ear tip. Then you've got the ambient sound control. So this is where you can customize the sound control, ANC on, ambient aware, talk through. You can also customize the noise cancelling level as well, which I think is a great feature. I might go and use the auto compensation, basically checks your ear canal, or you could just use normal adaptive cancelling. Smart charging case, this is where you can change the settings on your case. You see before I had the picture of myself. You can also change to different pictures, like you got New York there. You can also switch on message notification or message preview, which I think is quite good. And Find My Case, obviously is great if you lose your case. Go and have a look. Now this is Smart Talk. So this basically, when you start talking, it reduces the speaking for you as well. Good feature. I used it. I talk a lot though, so I had to switch it off. Smart automation. So you can actually choose it to stop calls or pick up calls when you're answering or not answering a phone call. Gestures. So this is where you can actually change your gestures. So generally, if you press the button, you can change tracks, switch on noise cancelling, switch it off. You can customize them all through here. And silent now. So this is really good. So essentially, you can create a sound bubble around you. So you can not have any music playing, but still have the noise cancelling working. So say you want some peace and quiet, it works very well. Now go and look at audio. So this is where you can change all your audio settings. It's also got adaptive EQ as well, so adapts EU. I might put that on actually. So adaptive EQ can actually adapt the audio depending on what type of music you listen to or what you're doing with the earbuds, which is great. You've got the equalizer in there. Spatial sound, this is what I talked about earlier about how effective it was in actually using it. This is great. I used head tracking and it was amazing to have the music moving to each of your earbuds, personalize your sound. As you can see, there's also things such as sound settings as well. Now I like this. Now this is where you can actually increase the bass, increase the treble. So you've got the ability to, a lot of people say to me, Andrew, does it have enough bass? Well, this one you can ensure it has bass because it really powers it up. And you've got others as well. So this is quite good as well. Relaxed sound is basically, you can have some relaxing sound playing on your ears while you're just, as it says, relaxing. It's quite nice. It's like campfire sounds, stuff like that. So I didn't want to do a sound test with these earbuds. The reason being is it sounds so good. By using one of my microphones, it really won't convey how good it is. But just look at top tier sound. It really does pump it out. But as you can see, the app is very, very comprehensive. So guys, are JBL earbuds worth the price? Well, in a word, yes. Between incredible sound, innovative features, and premium build quality, these are some of the best earbuds you can buy in 2024. The smart charging case alone sets them apart, making them feel future-proof and genuinely exciting. JBL have done a great job here. They released the Tour Pro 2 originally, which brought the smart charging case out, and this has really been a game changer in doing it. You wouldn't think you use this much, but I actually use it all the time. Tour Pro 2 was actually my go-to earbuds. The Tour Pro 3 is now mine. And it's been very exciting. I've been with JBL now for a number of years and done a lot of their earbud reviews. And seeing the earbuds evolve over time has been a true pleasure. And these earbuds feel like a combination of all that technology. All the features, the sound quality, noise cancelling, they've packed it all into one, and it's right up there with the top tier earbuds. Well, really, it is top tier earbuds in itself. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or someone who just loves great music, these earbuds deliver on every front. JBL's truly outdone themselves, and I can't wait to hear what you think. Now guys, also check out, as I said, the giveaway. We're giving away a pair of these. Check out the links, apply. The more chances you do, the more chance you have to win, and you get bonus points for sharing with your friends as well. I'm also doing a head-to-head for Tour Pro 2 and Tour Pro 3 shortly. Look out for that. But guys, really hope you enjoy it, and let me know if you get your hands on these, and if you've got any questions. Thanks for joining me here at Mr. Yoo-Hoo.